119 at the Laguna Cliffs Resort and Spa by Marriott. We have a king room with a queen size sleeper sofa. When you come in, just to your right, there's a closet here, a little safe down below with a couple drawers. You can see they got a couple robes for you there. It's always nice if you want to take them late at night to go in the jacuzzi. Got your coffee machine here with Nespresso pods, some chamomile cups and whatnot. Down below that, a little mini fridge down in here. You can store some stuff in there if you need to. Take you into the bathroom real quick. So, single sink. And they've got here on the counter, they've got Lather brand hand wash and then Lather brand moisturizer for you. This is the shower here. Looks like a nice big shower head, separate shower handle. And then the feature I like is the faucet is way over here. So you can turn it on here, and then it goes on over there, so you don't have to get in and push it out of the way while you wait for the water to warm up. And then way here in the back, they do have this little towel holder here, towel hook. As far as the brands they give you here, Lather brand hair wash, bamboo lemongrass, cream rinse, bamboo lemongrass, and body wash. 3 bottles. So towel right there too. So now we'll come back out this way and get a good look at the room. Good workspace area. There's a desk, a bunch of drawers, and then a decent sized TV here. I had to guess, I'd say it's 65 inches maybe. It's pretty big. And then this is the king size bed in our room. Over on this side, you got the telephone. And then you got some charging ports. There's like 2 USBs and 2 regular outlets. A little switch there for the night light. Pen, piece of paper. Over on this side, got a little clock radio. And then more charging ports there. Got more USB, got more power outlets. This cool little alarm clock, kind of retro looking. And then over here, this is a queen size pull-out couch. So a queen size bed under there. This cool looking coffee table design. It's got a smaller one inside the bigger one. And then there's a little footstool over here. And so you put stuff on there, reading light. This is your desk with more power outlets over here, which is pretty good. And this down here, what is this? It's like an HDMI cable. Maybe be able to hook right up into the TV. That'd be kind of neat. So our room here, a little balcony. I'll go ahead and show that to you. Overlooks the pool area. There's Amy and Roger. Overlooks the pool area, so pretty nice view. If you search out over this way, you can see the ocean out there in the background. So I guess you could say it's a partial ocean view.